Yeah. Camera.
What did
Got
you
it
hit?
on camera.
What did he hit that stupid guy? He's such an asshole. No, he's running from someone. The police are behind him.
You in, don't just push. I know, ask and I'll let you in, don't just push. I got a dash cam, honey. I got a dash cam, honey. Ask and I'll let you in, don't be pushy. Don't be pushy. Ask and I'll let you in. I'm a decent person. Unlike somebody that's being pushy. Because it's common decency to ask. I have the right of way, you don't. Ask and I'll let you in. Don't be pushy, bro. Ask, though. I'm telling you for future reference so you don't piss off more people with your ignorant attitude. Ask and I'll let you in. I'm not a bad person. I'm like somebody that's being pushy. Okay, then move. You're in my way. That's why I didn't want you doing this. Now you're holding up how many people?
Kansas City. Looks pretty intense over there, and it's going to continue to be that way. Okay, it's going to continue to be that way as this is going to be, wow, this is going to be a quite stationary band of blizzard conditions continuing to happen over here between Topeka and Kansas City. Over, up on the snow, still on the table for our friends over here.
Yeah, that's like I said, this should be sitting now. This is just like the
Here's an image from Topeka, Kentucky, from Rapid Penguins. Look at this. Lots of ice accumulating on these down 3 inches of tree limbs. This is going to cause the power outage numbers to go up. Here we go, already up to 15,000 households now without power in Kentucky. A lot of that's coming from Crittenden County, Kentucky, Lyon County. So right over here, this is where we're seeing the heavy.
What the f? Oh my god! Holy. Get off your phone! What? What the f? You kidding me? What the f?
Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over.
Hope, are you able to give updates to Texas? I'm on the phone with him right now.
Pull over. Go off road. Near the road.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Careful, careful.
I'm sorry.
You're good.